And we're back. I made a mistake when I first was talking about my transmission mount. I thought this ugly square piece of rubber right here was it, but after reading the Thunderbird book I bought and seeing a bunch of stuff online, that's just some cheap replacement somebody had. This right here is the real transmission mount for a 1960 Thunderbird with a 430 and a 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic. I bought it off the Bird's Nest website because they specialize in 58 through 66 Thunderbirds. And mine is only a 2-year part, 59 and 60 only. I'll post another video when I have it all together, and it should help change the pitch of the engine. And then after I'm done with this, the transmission is next. I'm going to redo the pan seal, and I have a screen for it. I have the wood holding it up, but the wood is spreading out the load, so I'm not doing any damage to the pan, and it's just holding it up so I can have that mount out and replace it.